Good morning, Michael Walsh and Roger Norgel here, Norwal Farms. It's a beautiful spring day in February. It's in the low 50s today, very unseasonably warm. We're going to clean the sheep shed out today and the run-in shed in anticipation of moving the does and the first 7 ewes that are due to lamb here in about 2 to 3 weeks. So we're going to get this cleaned out. We're also going to shift the rams up. They were in this smaller pen here, and we're going to put them over with the goats, and then they'll run with the billy goat and the lamb and the 2 dogs. And so anyway, let's get started. Got the shed all cleaned, cleaned back as far as I could. I left the puppies alone. And then this is where the rams were. So we've opened up that bay as well, letting them finish the hay that's in there. The doe pen isn't bad at all, so I didn't clean it today, and they're going to be going out on Saturday. Rams have been out here today running and playing, so good day for that. And gonna go get some hay and fill that feeder for the ewes tonight. And does still got pretty much good hay there. They just have to clean it up, so I'm forcing them to eat that down. It's good hay, and they'll eat it, and then once the does are out, we'll put grass hay in for the rams and for Heidi, because that's all they need. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell. That will notify you of any new videos when they come out, and hit the like button. That helps our video channel as well. So thanks again for joining us at Norwal Farm.